How to cook oatmeal in a dummy. 1000 watts Hamilton Beach red microwave. Step 1. Find your oatmeal. Read the directions for it on any type of microwave. If yours is the watt like this.
Pepper, are you going to eat it?
What?
Pepper, are you going to eat the oatmeal?
If I make it the way it tells me to, yeah, I can.
You're eating oatmeal, but you're not going to eat it?
Don't worry, I'm gonna eat it. Yep.
But Everett, are you eating hungry?
Leave it what?
No, Everett, you're not about that.
Oh.
What happened?
Step 1, pour it in the bowl. Step 1, read the directions for the cup. Add it to 2/3 cups of water. Let's go do that. We'll find 2/3 cup. Where's 2/3 cup? That's not it. Seriously? Two-thirds cup. Where? Please be it. Where is 2/3 cup? Nope. I need 2/3 cup. Okay, you're not gonna not give it to me. There it is. Two-thirds cup. Oh yeah. Alright, read the directions for the cooking time. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, which I think it's 2. Okay, well, we'll take this plate out. Alright. 2 minutes it looks like. Alright guys. I'll set the phone down so that you can watch the oatmeal. If you notice it bubbles over if it goes up to the top, just stop it. But we're gonna keep letting it go. Alright guys, We got 15 seconds left. Here we go, we're counting down. Yes, yes. No, I'm actually gonna eat this. There you have it, guys. That's how you cook oatmeal on a 1000 watt Hamilton Beach microwave. Subscribe for more.